Have you ever wondered about the celestial factories that churn out stars and supernovae? Well, wonder no more. Today, we're delving into the captivating story of UGC 9684, a spiral galaxy that's piqued the interest of astronomers worldwide. Located in the constellation Bootes, approximately 240 million light-years away, UGC 9684 is a spiral galaxy that has been stealing the cosmic spotlight. This galaxy is a stunning display of classic galactic features, showcasing a clear bar at its center and a halo enveloping its disk. The intrigue surrounding UGC 9684 was sparked by the discovery of a Type II supernova in 2020. Type II supernova are cataclysmic stellar explosions that occur throughout the universe, drawing the keen interest of astronomers. Automated surveys continuously scan the night sky to catch a glimpse of these spectacular events. But what makes UGC 9684 truly extraordinary is not just the 2020 supernova. Since 2006, this galaxy has been the stage for 4 supernova-like events. This makes UGC 9684 one of the most active supernova-producing galaxies known to us. UGC 9684 is more than just a supernova hotspot. It's also a bustling star factory, producing one solar mass worth of stars every few years. This level of stellar formation marks UGC 9684 as a unique supernova factory and a point of focus for astronomers hoping to study these awe-inspiring events. In summary, the spiral galaxy UGC 9684, with its central bar and surrounding halo, is a celestial wonder that's been turning heads in the astronomical community. Not only is it a prolific producer of supernovae, but it's also an active, star-forming galaxy. Its dynamic characteristics and significance in the study of supernovae make it a focal point for astronomers and a fascinating subject for all of us, intrigued by the mysteries of the universe.